How to fix your mobile data not working on your Android phone. You need to figure out what might be causing this problem, because this kind of problem might be caused by so many reasons. First of all, figure out the reason. Now I'll show some of the possible fixes for this kind of problem. First, you need to go to the settings and go over connections option. Now go into the mobile networks and figure out what network that you are connected to. Into the network mode, you will see all of the available network. If you are connected to 3G or LTE and you have a data pack which works only on 5G, then try selecting 5G. Now similarly, if you have only the data pack which will work on the LTE or 4G, then select that and it might start working. Now you can also check your network access point name. If you don't have that, simply add it and it will start working again normally. Now you should also enable this allow 2G service option. Whenever, even if you don't have a high-speed network, your data pack will start working normally after that. Now go into this more connection settings and then check if you have any VPN or private DNS open. If you have any of the VPN or private DNS, just simply turn that off and tap to save. Then after that, your data pack will start working normally. And if this still doesn't fix your issue, there might be some network connection issues, so you should wait or contact your customer service to fix this issue.